What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome back to your Quant update. Wanted to make an update on that because I saw that we were pretty bearish, and I thought we were having some sort of a bearish breakout out of this $160 level. But in the end, right now, it seems like we are actually managing to close above it. So. Oh, we actually did manage to, yeah, we actually did manage to close above that. So yeah, in this video, I just wanted to kind of see what's going on with Quant and what you can expect. Because last time I covered it, we just had this bullish momentum, and I said that we would probably break above 173, either then or after finding support at 160 again. And I was fully prepared to tell you that I was wrong, and that we would drop down all the way to 151, which is still very possible, but it's not so sure anymore. Because the thing is, today is fundamentally a very big day. We'll have the interest rate later tonight, so in about 10 hours. In about 10 hours, you will have seen the results in the crypto market from making this video. So just think about 9 hours, but you can find out more about it on myfxbook.com and then the economic calendar. So that's going to make the market move, and that could actually be, I mean, that could obviously be bullish for Quant or bearish for Quant. It's going to move along with the market, even though Quant doesn't move along with the market as much as other cryptos. In this case, it is going to do that. But yeah, apart from that, if there were no fundamentals, it actually looked like, I mean, you can clearly see that there's a lot of bearish momentum here, and it looks like the $160 level is breaking. It really does look like that. So I would say that without the fundamentals, that we are probably going to drop down. That's probably also what's going to happen today. We're probably going to drop down to 155, find some support there, and start our trip down to 151. And 151 is then again a strong support level, and then at that level we will again have to kind of assess and analyze whether we can actually break above our previous support level at 160 and get some more bullish momentum from there, or that we need to break down a little bit lower to 145. So that's something you have to analyze at every support level if you're in a downtrend like this, or at least a temporary downtrend like this. But yeah, so the fundamentals have some sort of a wild card. Check out you have to check out the Bitcoin video if you want a full explanation, and then also looking at the dollar index and stuff on the effects of the interest rate. But for now, basically, if they continue the way they've been doing it right now, we're probably going to drop down pretty hard, right? We're probably going to drop down to 151 immediately and down to 145 the day after. And because that's very bearish. Higher interest rates are bad for risk on assets markets. But apart from that, we have the wild card of them saying that they're going to cool it down in the next few meetings. If that happens, well, first of all, we're going to hold 160. And I think we got a pretty big chance of actually breaking above 173 pretty quickly, which would be the fuel for probably a new run, at least up to 185. But I will be back with another update tomorrow if that happens on Quant, because, well, first of all, Quant is an amazing project, but I also know a lot of you hold Quant. So that's going to be interesting. As I said, if nothing else happens, we're dropping down to 151. If so, that's also if the market doesn't react to the news. I think it will, though. So basically, depending on what they're saying in the press conference, we'll either have some sort of a bullish breakout, or we'll drop down. But if you want an in-depth explanation on that, check out the Bitcoin video, not down in the description, but on my channel, right? The one of today. So yeah, that's my take on Quant this morning. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.